If you are under the age of 30, you will likely view the concept of an analog away day with a mixture of confusion and horror. You see, before the invention of the pocket supercomputer, the Saturday pilgrimage was a very different beast. It was a time of high stakes and even higher anxiety. There was no share location. There was no WhatsApp group to coordinate your arrival. You relied entirely on a crumpled train timetable, a distinct lack of sleep, and a verbal agreement made in a pub 3 days prior. Meet under the big clock at 8 o'clock sharp. If you weren't there, that was it. You were a castaway, a victim of your own tardiness. And then, upon arrival in some grey industrial northern town, you were usually greeted by the local welcome committee, a constabulary escort. Being marched through a city centre by a sea of fluorescent jackets wasn't aggressive, it was just civic choreography. A guided tour of the back streets, whether you wanted it or not. And the procurement of the wardrobe? That wasn't a case of scrolling through an app, it was a safari. You had to physically travel to strange and distant lands to acquire a piece of knitwear that nobody in your postcode had ever seen. You were an explorer in a Sergio Tacchini track top, a pioneer in Pringle. It was chaotic, it was usually freezing, and quite frankly, looking back at the grainy footage, it was absolutely magnificent. We have gained convenience, yes, but we have lost the adrenaline. If you remember the days of CFAX and paper tickets, make yourself known in the comments.